Hello children. So IVF technology. What do you mean by IVF technology? See, we have learned about the internal fertilization taking place in the female body. Okay, the fusion of male gamete and female gamete inside the female body. It is called as the internal fertilization taking place inside the mother. But what about the external fertilization? Does the humans also perform external fertilization? So answer is yes, it is. How the external fertilization takes place? It takes place artificially. So in the lab condition, in the laboratory condition, the doctor take the male gamete sperm and the female gamete ovum is fertilized in the laboratory. How it is done? See, here the sperm from the male parent and the ovum from the female parent both are taken, and in a petri dish there is one dish where it is the ovum and the sperm, it is allowed to fertilize, allowed to fuse, and after it gets fertilized it is converted to zygote. This zygote is kept for a week in order to develop the many cells. So this zygote is allowed to divide and redivide. Repeated division takes place and it forms a mass of cells. Okay, a ball of cells are formed. This mass of cells, it is later injected into the uterus of a mother, okay, female parent, where the development of the embryo takes place in the uterus as in the normal other mother. Okay, so normally as the uterus in the uterus the development of the fetus takes place, the embryo takes place. So okay, so when the embryo, when the child is completely developed, so the female, it give birth to the new offspring as the normal baby. Okay, so as this fertilization is taking place in the laboratory condition, it is called as the test tube baby. This technique is involved the test tube, so it is called as the test tube baby. Okay, so in vitro fertilization is performed in the parents who have the infertility problem. Infertility problem can be the oviduct gets blocked, so the sperm cannot reach the ovum and it cannot fertilize the ovum. So in that case, what happens? The doctor do the artificial fertilization, in vitro fertilization, and the baby is born like any other baby by developing in the uterus of a mother. So this was about the IVF technology.